Hello, today's topic?
At the office.
Excuse me, is the seat taken?
No, it's free. Feel free to sit down.
Thank you. I'm looking for a book.
What book are you looking for?
It's called To Kill a Mockingbird.
Ah, that's a classic. Let me check.
Do you have the author's name?
Yes, it's Harper Lee.
Let me see if we have it in stock.
Great, thank you for your help.
Unfortunately, it seems to be checked out.
Oh, that's too bad. Do you have any recommendations?
Sure, what genre do you like?
I enjoy mystery and suspense.
How about Gone Girl by Gillian Flynn?
I've heard of it. Is it good?
It's a gripping read, very suspenseful.
I'll give it a try. Where can I find it?
It should be in the fiction section.
Thanks, I'll go look for it.
You're welcome. Enjoy your reading.
I will. Thanks again for your help.
No problem. Have a pleasant day.
You too.
Vocabulary.
Library. Book. Author. Classic. Stock. Recommend. Genre. Mystery. Suspense. Fiction. Section. Seat. Free. Girl. Kill. Call. Excuse. Check. Unfortunately. Pleasant.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.